Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this is me Zach, and today we're at MM2. I just got a code and I have infinite money. I just buy all of this and oh my god, I'm a survivor. All of the gun. Click to my profile to get the code, and I'm gonna take this thing. There we go, just killed it. Okay. Rate my avatar 1 to 10. This is gonna be so. Oh shoot. Shoot. Yeah, okay. I am a vampire. Throwing kills. Guys, what do you like? Or just a stab one or a throwing one? Comment down below. Where are you? I'm gonna kill you. And don't forget guys to add friend me. I'm gonna leave it in the comment section, my name. I'm gonna leave it in the comment section. I promise. Check the comment section. Click it there. In the oh. And there we go. Sumo time, dab, bro, dab. The zombies have taken over. And I'm gonna put here like a sign RIP. And let's put it over there. There. RIP. Let's go to there. Okay, I have 13% to be a zombie. Hey zombies! Don't kill me! Emote. Zen. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so I need to go to school. Vote here. What do you like, guys? Core blocks or headless? Comment down below. I just got a hat. If you go here 3 times, there and reset the character, you will be invincible. Is that true? Please be true. This is good. Oh, it's not true. It's a fake! I hate to be fake. I'm gonna change my walking. Gonna change my walk to be that. This. Gonna change my jump to be backflip.
Yes, what? What's your problem? It's a cloud.
What is that? It over. Just like Bro, who killed me? Vampiric. I love the vampiric. It's so nice and cool. Now this is my favorite effect. This is only for 8 years old. Okay, this is gonna be end now, guys. Today, dito na matapos ang laro natin at ang video natin. Kailangan ninyo mag-like and subscribe at comment ninyo. Maybe mamaya. Okay. I'm the killer.
What's the Lakota? Kuya Day!
Yeah, Mom!
So good. Wait a minute. Let's go back.
Dito na mag-A guys.